Welcome, brave educator. You have stepped into the realm of the missing TA, where ungraded papers roam freely, feedback echoes unanswered in the night, and deadlines approach like shadows on the walls. Your trusted TA has vanished into thin air, leaving you alone with a mountain of assignments that grows taller with every passing hour. But fear not, your mission in this haunted chamber is to become the grading Ghostbuster, armed with the power of AI to tame the chaos. Welcome to the Grading Ghostbuster Challenge. Take some notes on the following steps. Step 1. Choose your assignment. Pick an assignment you frequently grade. For example, discussion board, essay, project, lab report. Step 2. Copy and paste the assignment description. AI tools perform best when they have full context. Step 3. Use this prompt template in ChatGPT, Copilot, or Genius. Use the following idea for a rubric creation prompt template. Create a detailed, student-friendly grading rubric for the following assignment. Include categories, point values, and clear performance descriptors for each level. Assignment description. Paste your assignment here. Please format the rubric as a table with 3-4 performance levels. For example, excellent, proficient, developing, needs improvement. Make sure the criteria are measurable, easy to understand, and aligned with higher education standards. Step 4. Review and revise. Once AI generates the rubric, adjust point values. Add or remove categories. Personalize wording for your course. Ensure alignment with your course outcomes. But before you begin, reflect on this question. How much time do you currently spend grading and giving feedback, and what part of that process feels the most overwhelming? To escape this room, you must restore order to the grading chaos by using AI tools to rebuild your workflow. Your challenge has 3 parts. 1. Summon a rubric using ChatGPT or another AI tool. 2. Generate feedback shortcuts for common student errors. 3. Test your rubric using a sample assignment. To earn your Grading Ghostbuster badge, 1. Summon a rubric. Choose a generative AI tool, Copilot, ChatGPT, or Genius. Here, type or paste your assignment prompt and say, 2. Create a clear, student-friendly rubric for this assignment with categories, points, and descriptions. 3. Watch as the rubric materializes before you. No dark magic required. Following is a short instructional video that will help guide you along this task. Now, as you approach the next doorway, you'll notice a faint glow and the sound of pages turning. This portal will lead you to an instructional video that reveals how to craft powerful prompts using generative AI tools. Whether you choose ChatGPT, Microsoft Copilot, or Genius, this video will be extremely helpful. It will teach you how to write clear, structured prompts that produce high-quality outputs, saving you time, frustration, and guesswork. No matter which AI tool you decide to use for the challenges ahead, the strategies in this tutorial will guide you through each haunted room with confidence. Step through the doorway when you're ready, and let the next lesson begin.